Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn new chapter, 10th chapter, mensuration. Mensuration means what? How to find the area of given solid. In this, two types of solids. One is 2D, 3D. Means two dimensions, 3D dimensions solids. Now 2D means only length and breadth. The solids which have the shapes which have only length and breadth, those are called 2D solids, means two-dimensional solids. Now here 3D dimensional solids. 3-dimensional solids means cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. How to find the volume of these different types of solids, how to find the surface areas. Now in this chapter we can learn. Now what is the LSA and CSA? Lateral surface area or curved surface area. If the surface is in curved surface, then we will call curved surface area. If the solid has plane surfaces, then we can say that is LSA. Now LSA is for cube and cuboid because these two are plane surfaces solids. Now all faces are plane. But cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, these all comes under curved surfaces. Now then we call that surface areas for these four solids CSA and TSA volume. What is the LSA or CSA? LSA means only sides area. Means suppose if you take one room, then 4 walls of a area comes under LSA. Then TSA means total surface area, means 4 walls plus floor and plus roof. Top, bottom plus 4 walls. That is comes under TSA. Volume is how much capacity of that room. That is volume. Now what are the formulas for cuboid? 2H into L plus B. TSA 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Volume LBH. Now cube. Cube means what? All sides are equal. It has 6 faces. All sides are equal. Then LSA means 4 walls. Each wall A square, A square, A square, A square. Then 4A square. 6A square means 6 areas. Top, bottom, 4 sides. 6A square. Volume is area into height. A square into A cube. Next cylinder. Cylinder means what? Here the cylinder has bases as circular shape. Bases as circular shape and it has 3 faces. 2 plane surfaces, 1 curved surface. This is the plane, this is the plane, this is the curved surface. This full curved surface. Now, what is the base? Base always in the shape of circle. In the shape of circle, base and top. Now, what is the CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH means perimeter of base into height. What is the general formula for LSA or CSA? Perimeter of base into height. TSA means LSA plus top area plus bottom area. Those are the standard things. Volume means area into height. LSA means what? Perimeter of base into height. TSA means LSA plus top area plus bottom area. Now volume is equal to area into height. These are the standard forms. Means general form of LSA or CSA, perimeter of base into height. TSA means LSA plus top area plus bottom area. Volume is equal to area into height. Now volume means what? Capacity of that solid. TSA means total surface area. Now LSA means only 4 walls of a area. Suppose if you take painting of walls, then what we have to take? LSA plus only top area because flooring does not have any painting. Now painting of cuboidal shape of house means We have to take LSA plus top area. Now, suppose cylinder, total surface area means area of top, bottom and sides. Means 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r square. Here, what is that? Perimeter of base into height. What is that? Perimeter of base means, what is the perimeter of circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r h. Now, 2 pi r h plus LSA plus top area, bottom area. What is the top area, bottom area? Bottom area and top area in the form of circle. Then pi r square plus pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square. Now, if you take common 2 pi r, you will get r 2 pi r plus h. Now, like that, general form what? Perimeter of base into height for LSA. TSA, LSA plus top area plus bottom area. Volume is area into height. Like that, cone. Cone pi r l, pi r into r plus l, 1 by 3 pi r square h. How to find out L? L is equal to under root r square plus h square, because r, h, l will form one triangle, right angle triangle. Now L will be hypotenuse. Then what is the hypotenuse formula? Sum of other two squares of sides under root. Under root of sum of other two sides squares of other two sides. Now L is equal to under root r square plus h square. Now sphere, 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here LSA, TSA same, because circle, this sphere has only one face, that is curved face. Hemisphere, 2 pi r square, 3 pi r square, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here without lid hemisphere, with lid means 3 pi r square. Without lid means 2 pi r square surface areas. Then volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, what is the general formula for LSA or CSA? Perimeter of base into height. TSA, LSA plus top area plus bottom area. Volume, area of solid into height. Now, these are the general formula for how to find out the LSA, TSA and volume of different solid shapes. These are the formulas. Now, exercise 1 problems. A joker's cap in the form of right circular cone whose radius 7 cm, height is 24 cm. Find the area of sheet required to make such 10 caps. Now here, one cap is in the shape of circular cone, right circular cone. The cap is in the form of cone. Then, to prepare that joker's cap, how much sheet, paper sheet you require to prepare for that one cap? See, now cap is in the shape of cylinder. How much radius? 7 cm. Height 24 cm. Like this we have to prepare one joker cap. Then to prepare this joker cap, how much sheet we required? Means we have to find out LSA or CSA. LSA, because there is no bottom, because if you close the bottom you can't wear. Then you have to find out the LSA of cone. And how many caps you want? 10 caps. Then if you multiply with that 10, that LSA, you will get a total sheet how much you require to prepare 10 caps. Then to prepare one cone shaped joker's cap, how much sheet required? For that, what you have to find out? LSA. Sorry, CSA, curved surface area you have to find out. Because TSA means bottom also you have to add. No need to take bottom, because if you close the bottom, you can't wear. That's why you have to take only CSA of cone. Now, how to do the solution? Radius of cone 7 cm. Height of cone 24 cm. CSA of cone. Curved surface area of cone. What is the formula for CSA of cone? Pi RL. Pi RL. We know the pi value to 22/7, R is 7. But L value we have to find out. What is the L formula? L is equal to slant height. Slant height L is equal to under root R square plus H square is equal to under root 7 square plus 24 square. Now 7 7s are 49, 24 24s are 576 is equal to 625. 625 means 25 under root of 625, 25 centimeters. Now L how much we got? 25 centimeter. Now CSA of cone is equal to pi RL is equal to 22/7 into, instead of radius how much we can substitute? 7. L how much? 25. Now 7 7 will cancel. 25 2s are 50, 55. Then centimeter square. Now what is the CSA of cone? This 550 area of sheet required to make one cap. What is the meaning of CSA? One cap required sheet. Area of sheet required to one cap. Now area of sheet required to make one cap is equal to 550 centimeters square. Now, but how many caps we require? 10. Now, area of sheet required for 10 caps is equal to 550 into 10. 5500 square centimeter area of sheet required to prepare 10 caps. Now when you want a area of sheet required to prepare cap, Joker's cap means you have to find out only CSA. Means there is no bottom. That's why we have to take only CSA. Second problem. A sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders. 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. To required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 cm length or height and its radius 7 cm, height 35 cm. Find the required area of thick paper sheet needed to make 100 cylinders. Now, they want to prepare cylindrical boxes for packing the shuttlecocks. For packing the shuttlecocks, they want to prepare 100 cylinders. With which, what required? Paper sheet. With paper sheet, they are preparing. Then how much area of paper we require to make such 100 cylinders? Means here shuttlecocks are packing in cylinders. Then that cylinder, to prepare that cylinder, how much paper sheet you require? Area of paper sheet required to make that cylinder. And how many cylinders they are preparing? 100. Then for 100 cylinders, how much paper sheet they require? Means here cylinder means bottom in the shape of, base in the shape of circle, top also in the shape of circle. Radius, radius. Here to here, height. How much radius? 7 cm. Height 35 cm. Here, when you will prepare cylinders to pack shuttlecocks means we need top and bottom. Because here they want to pack shuttlecocks in the cylinder. For that we require top and bottom. Then here we have to find out the total surface area. Because what is the curved surface area? Only sides area. But here you want to keep in that shuttlecocks to pack. That means you have to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. First we have to find out the total surface area of cylinder. That total surface area of cylinder equal to area of paper sheet required to one cylinder. If you multiply with 100, you will get 100 cylinders. required area of paper. See, first solution. Radius of cylinder 7 centimeter. Height of cylinder 35 centimeter. Then TSA, total surface area of cylinder, is equal 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 35 centimeter square. 7 will cancel. 44 into 42. 44 2s are 88. 44 4s are 176. 184. 176 plus 8, 184. Now, how much area? TSA of cylinder 1848 centimeters square. Then that much of sheet you require to prepare that cylinder. How much paper, area paper you require to prepare that one cylinder? 1848 centimeters square. Now, area of paper sheet required for one cylinder is equal to 1848 centimeters square. Now, how many cylinders we want? 100. Now, we got area of paper sheet required for one cylinder. But how many cylinders we required? 100. Now, area of paper sheet required for 100 cylinders is equal to 1848 into 100. That means 1,84,800 centimeters square. Now, to find out to prepare 100 cylinders, we require 1,84,800 centimeters square area of paper sheet. Now, when you will find out the cylinders, to make cylinders, we have to take TSA because they want to pack shuttlecocks in that. For that, we require top and bottom. Then, if you require top and bottom, we have to take TSA. Only sides means we have to take CSA, but total cylinder means you have to take TSA of cylinder, means total surface area of cylinder. Then what is the formula? 2 pi r into r plus h. If you substitute the r and h, you will get one cylinder. For one cylinder, how much paper area you require. Then if you multiply with 100, you will get total area of paper sheet required to make 100 cylinders. This is the exercise 1 clues.